Hello and welcome, my dear students. This is Manik. I am working as head of department in very renowned institute situated in Bundi, Rajasthan. That is Vedant College of Engineering and Technology. I used to take four important subjects of civil engineering like strength of material, theory of structures, design of steel structures, and design of concrete structures. Today I am going to take a numerical, very short numerical for understanding purpose, that is how to calculate the change in length and stress and strain in a member made up of steel. So first focus on the question. What the question says, calculate the value of change in length of a steel bar having length 1 meter is applied with an axial pull of 100 kN. The bar is having diameter 100 mm and modulus of elasticity of the steel is given 2 into 10 is to power 5 Newton per mm square. So first we sort out the data from the given question. Our first step is to collect data from the question. So in the question, the length of the member is given. It is given 1 meter. So it is very easy to convert it into millimeters. For simplified calculations, 1 meter will be converted into 1000 mm. The diameter of the bar is also given. The bar is circular bar. So diameter bar is given 100 mm. So we can easily sort out the cross sectional area of the bar. The area of the bar will be equals to pi by 4 into diameter square, that is pi by 4 into 100. Diameter of the bar is given 100 mm. It will give us area in mm square. So I am not calculating the area. The pull is given on the steel bar. The bar is applied with an axial pull of 100 kilonewton. That will increase its length. The pull or external load on the bar is 100 kilonewton. We can simplify this 100 kilonewton into Newton by multiplying 100 with 10 is to power 3. It will come out to be 10 is to power 5 newtons. The modulus of elasticity of steel bar is given 2 into 10 is to power 5 Newton per mm square. So in any question we will have to use any empirical formula. Before that we have to sort out the data from the question. So we have collected the data from the question. Now it is very easy to calculate change in length of the member. So in the next step we are using the empirical formula to calculate change in length. We usually denote the change in length with delta L. So what is empirical formula? Formula to calculating change in length is given by delta L is equal to P multiplied with L divided by A and divided by E. What is P? P is applied load. Here it is given 100 kilonewton. Length of the member we have converted 1 meter into 1000 mm. So length of the member is given, that is 1000 mm. We can easily find out the cross sectional area of the member, and modulus of elasticity of the steel bar is given. After putting all the values, we can calculate change in length. Delta L will be equals to 100 into 10 to the power 3, that is applied pull, into length of the member. Length of the member is 1000 mm divided by cross sectional area. And modulus of elasticity of the steel bar. The change in length of the member will comes out to be in mm, because we have converted all the units into Newton and mm. So we can easily find out the change in length of the member. Thank you.